is Juliet.
And my name is Katie.
And we're Child Life Student Assistants here at the UC Davis Mine Institute.
Juliet, it's been getting really hot here recently.
I agree, Katie. What can we do to help us with this upcoming warm weather?
Well, we have the perfect craft for you guys. Look at this. We'll be making some
fruit fans.
Awesome. So go ahead and follow us along for this DIY craft.
We hope you had fun following us along this DIY adventure.
We made a strawberry, a kiwi, and a watermelon fruit fan, but feel free to make any fruit of your choice.
Thanks for joining us again for family time, and we hope to see you back at the mine real soon. Bye!